Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. It is the Thursday before Memorial Day weekend. We've had some good harvest today and we've got a lot going on the farm. I just want to kind of take you around and show you what we've been doing. So the farm is now completely planted out all the way along. Even got some corn out there where I've got it cover cropped with wheat. All the way back around. Got the tomatoes planted in the greenhouse. Got the inner plant of leaf lettuce out of here just this morning. Real good second cut. We got about a pound a foot, so you can see all the nubs left. Finally, I've got all my trellis lines up. Tomato hook set. All the tomatoes are in. Got celery in. We got cucumbers I'm still bringing up. They're going in. One thing I never took into account building this thing was the amount of time it'd take. I've been working on this since last September. And I'm still not done. There's the cucumbers going in. Coming up nicely on the trellis. But underneath this black plastic here, I killed off the rest of the grass. I still have a whole nother bed to put in. Trellis and drop lines for. Well, that's a whole nother story. Now since we're fully planted out and we're just starting to rotate, I had to do this. Add a whole nother set of beds in here. This was tarped for about 2 months or so. That way we got a real good kill on it. Pretty much nothing growing in here at all. We got another tarp down here at the end, which will be the extension of this plot as well. But for now, I just got this area that I'm going through right now mineralized. First till, that's why I got the tractor out. I had to get phosphate and lime down the soil. So I'm working on that. And hopefully another week or two I can do this. And then I took the tarp and I'm bringing it up here to in between the greenhouse and plot 2. That way I can start working on an herb bed that I've been wanting to do for 3 years now and I've never gotten around to it. So this will get stretched out, covered, kill the grass off, and hopefully eventually I can actually start planting in it. Go see what everybody else is doing. My son Nicholas here. He's working on burning holes in his catgrass cups. That way he can plant catgrass. Use a soldering iron, just burns a hole through 2 at a time. That way they have drainage holes in them. You can watch his video on planting catgrass and see how he does that. And then over here in the pack shed, got my wife and Maria in here working. Kind of see him through the glass there. Doing good. Packing the excess harvest we've had today. But with all the harvest we've done, we've run into a little bit of a problem. The 2 fridges I'm using, both the 2 commercial fridges, I've cool botted one and then ran the other one off my homemade cool bot, which you can also see another video on that. Full, minus the 2 totes that were in the pack shed. And this one should be the same way. Yeah, full. So, that's where the other project I've been working on comes into play. Been building on walk-in behind the pack shed. Had these panels for quite a while, just never got around to using them. There's the foam I'm going to use for the floor in it. Now I did build this thing completely backwards. Had to get it up quick and I wanted to get it cool quick if I had to, if we just completely ran out of space. So all I did was down the bottom, I screwed in a pressure treated 2x4, dug a trench, got it squared up, got the roof on it, got that all sealed off. Just extra board, caulked around it, got it waterproof. That way we wouldn't have to worry if it rained or not before I actually got the floor and everything else in. And then on the inside, because I now have to get the foam in there below the floor, and I'm doing it backwards, I now have to dig out the floor, which I'm starting to get done pretty good. Get back over here so you can actually see it. So, come along pretty good. Gotta dig it out. 7 inches for the foam. I'm gonna lay plywood on top and then do linoleum or tiles or something, and go through and finish caulking off all the panels. Take the CoolBot or the homemade one, do another one, get the air conditioner up and running, run power into here. Hopefully by next week I'll have this thing actually up and running. Now if you're wondering why it's kind of funny looking, I've got that corner in there behind me, kind of knocking out room on the inside. It's because the air conditioner for the pack shed is right there. I didn't have time to move it, I just wanted to get it up, get it built. So I got the door cut in. I can take that panel later if I need to, and then move that out to this front wall right here, take the air conditioner, move around to here. But right now I just need the space, so I'm just trying to get it done as quick as possible. Now, all in all, it's been a really productive week on the farm. We've got a lot done. Getting new ground broke, got a new walk-in going in, got almost all the tomatoes in. Well, no, I got all the tomatoes in. A few more cucumbers to plant, string. Good amount of starts stacking up behind me. A whole bunch more tomatoes that we need to get rid of. Basically down to cherries right now. But all in all, it's been a good week. Well, hope y'all like what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.